close your eyes and picture yourself sitting on the cool sand, writing in your journal. Your goal is on track now and you have a clear intention. You've got a lot on your mind though that you need to release. The sound of the ocean is really helping because it's so calming. The seagulls are flying overhead and the tide is coming in and going out. The water is softly washing everything on the beach away without attachment to any rock or shell. And then out of nowhere, a beautiful gold box washes up onto the shore right in front of you. Don't be afraid. Open it. It's exactly what you needed to accomplish your goal. Take the gift out of the box and then put it safely by your side. Now, tear a small piece of paper from your journal and write down what you need to release. Fold the piece of paper in half and then put it inside of the box. Now stand up and walk to the edge of the water. Allow the tide to carry the box away that holds your worry. As you walk back to where you were sitting, notice how free you feel. Now pick up your special gift. It's in perfect alignment with your goal and your intention, and it's better than you could have ever imagined. It's as if it was created just for you. Now, open your eyes and write down what was the gift inside of the box. And then write down the worry that the water carried away.